So what are you working on? Are we expecting an album? Napenda kuulizia swali kwanza, albums na EPs na LPs.
EP possibly next year. Ikianza ndo I have so many songs that I'm yet to release. Maybe you can decide on a few then tuamue kutoa EP because I'll be turning 25 next year and to celebrate me.
Yeah, a quarter century.
Nimekuwa inaitwaje? A woman.
A quarter century. Tana quarter century.
Okay, hopefully. Mwenyezi Mungu akipenda. Tutatoa EP.
Yeah.
And I will share. Let's see. But I'm working on so many things right now.
Are you expecting
so this year kuanzia sahi hadi it's a solo EP.
A solo EP.
Yes, I want to release a solo EP of me with the different songs that I've told you.
Yeah.
Nataka ni bring out something different yenye watu hawajanizoea nayo. I'm working with a new producer, not new in the industry, like first time kuwork na yeye. So it will be an amazing and different experience.
Interesting. We are looking forward for that.